My name is Dominic McGrath. I'm a Senior Project Manager here at Prebuilt. The Charlton Christian College Senior School Campus project consisted of 11 classrooms over 2 levels, extensive deck areas for the use of the students, as well as accessibility via ramps and a passenger lift. This project was perfectly suited to modular. Being an operating school, the program from a conventional build was basically cut in half. The huge benefits of modular in this case was the Hunter region where the project was situated had record rainfall throughout the build. So this meant that we were able to continue the construction of the modules and the buildings while the site team, with all the challenges they had, were able to push through and prepare the site for the module delivery. One of the most critical elements of this project was to maintain school operations for the staff and students whilst we're in the midst of site works, delivery of the modules and completion of the building, and this was done successfully with a very happy client with the school community. The standout points of the project from my point of view was the satisfaction from the client. Extremely engaged, extremely proactive with decision making, and trusted Prebuilt from the commencement right to the end. An extremely successful project overall.